How to make laptop or PC faster. First of all, open Run. Put temp. Delete all the files and folders, skip those which cannot be deleted. Again, open Run. Put %temp%. Again, open Run and put prefetch. Delete all the files and folders. Go to Properties and run Disk Cleanup. Select all the options except thumbnails. Click on the battery icon in taskbar. Set the line to best performance. Now go to PC settings. Click on System. Then Storage. Make it sure that Storage Sense is turned on. Then click on Multitasking and disable it. Then go to About. Click on Advanced System Settings. Click on Settings, select the options as mine selected. Now click on Gaming. Make it sure that your game bar is off so to increase FPS. Also make sure that game mode is turned on, especially if you play games. Now go to Personalization. Click on Colors and disable Transparency Effect. Now go to Update and Security. Click on Delivery Optimization. Disable it. Now go to Privacy. Click on Background Apps and disable it. Now click on Apps. Then Start up Apps. Disable the apps that you do not want to run on the start of Windows. No, click on the Apps and Features. Now uninstall all the unused apps. Now go to Search and put msconfig. Click on Boot and then Advanced Settings. Enable number of processors and select to maximum. It may vary from 2 to 10 or above. Disable the unwanted third-party app services. Now go to PC settings. Click on Search. Click on Searching Windows. Make sure that it's Classic. Now open Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Then Power Options. Do settings like me. Set graphics to maximum performance. Now go to Search and put defragment and optimize drives. Optimize all the drives. Guys, if you want me to make a full video on complete optimizations of Windows 10, then comment me.